Before my meeting, I was trying to include sprites in 6 minutes, but I couldn't. The only thing I found was the documentation. Let me see if I can open that again here. Yeah, I don't know. So I followed the documentation and then I found out that how to, like, it's not in the documentation, but I found out by instinct. The documentation did tell me though that whenever we create a sprite atlas like this, we need to put either in the sprites folder or in the resources folder, and that TextMesh Pro has a material which is called, in this case, emoji1. Like, we have a default material already. We don't have to prepare another texture for the sprites to be rendered. But this is the place where we choose another uh, sprite atlas if we want. So let's do the following. I'll be inserting the emojis, and then after I insert some emojis, I'll be trying to find another sprite atlas online so that we can see if we can further personalize our dialog box without programming. And by the way, we will need eventually to start programming, perhaps at the end of this video. So using text and editing text in rich text, what we have been doing here, like with the colors, is already programming coding. This is called meta markdown language, which uh, is very common, and it comes from like HTML web programming roots. So if you have ever studied HTML or programmed, developed websites with HTML, this is going to be very easy for you. Uh, and if not, this is a great first step towards the world of programming, and that's exactly what I did when I was like 13, 14, like in dial-up connections, very old stuff. And then my brother and I decided that we wanted to study in order to make our own website. So we found a tutorial online. It was an all written text-based tutorial. Uh, and I even think I remember the name was Learning HTML with Haruna. It was an anime kind of web page, fan-based anime. And this Haruna character taught us all the tags and how to organize the tags and the lines so that we could create a web page with HTML. All right, we're not enough reminiscing here. The text for us, the tag for us to include the sprite is sprite equals, and then you put the number of the sprite in the sprite atlas. I'm going to use 1 here, just for an example. And there you go. So if you click this emoji 1, I'm sorry, if you click the sprite assets emoji 1, you will see that they are using the emoji 1 atlas. And here they have all the emojis individualized. And then we can work with these offsets if necessary. What I want to show you though is here. When you click the image file that you imported, the 2D file, you need to change it like as any other. You need to change the texture type from default to sprite and 2D sprite and UI. And they said in their documentation to change from single to multiple. And then when you click sprite editor, like, you can determine these spaces, like this is emoji 0, this is emoji 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and so on. So there is one that is repeated here. So yeah, so anyways, I'm not gonna be messing with this card. So we use this, and then because when we click the sprite assets, the emoji one, they have uh, here sprite character table. This is index 0, this is index 1. So if I wanted to use this happy face, I would have to click here in my tag. Instead of 1, I put 0. So I'm gonna go to the other dialog box now from the player, and I'll try to put another one. So nice to meet you, player 2. I'm gonna put a sprite. Sprite equals 5. Excuse me, I need to. And there is a conversation that when we press that return button, the dialog changes. So I'm gonna see what it is. Is your nickname P1 by any chance? So I'm gonna put an emoji here. Remembering that this is changed here, not here, here. So is your nickname color P1 by any chance? I'll go to the end, sprite. I don't remember the number of the sprites, so I click here, click sprite character table. I want sprite 3. No, not 3, 6. So now I go back there and sprite 6. Let's see if it's working now. See, it worked. Great, yay. Now let's go to our next challenge, our personal challenge, finding a sprite atlas online. So I'm gonna write this. This is extra, so I'm gonna write this here. Learn how to use sprites in Xmesh Pro and browse sprite atlases online, import, repair, and to use in the panel. So Xmesh Pro sprite atlas. Mm, there are many. Let's see this one over here. Look at this text mesh pro full emoji sprite API. This is not complete. This is cute. Someone redrew these ones. Okay, but like so many sprites like this is also problematic for us to be individualizing each one, right? So I'm not gonna get one that is so big. This is from Fungus. I really like this one. I also like this one. Oh my gosh, the options, they make me crazy. I don't like this one, the nerdy one with this tooth like this, so I don't like this one anymore. They should respect the nerdy people. We have pride. Hmm. This is kind of 3D. Oh, but there is like watermark. Okay, I like this one. This is gonna be the one, especially because it's not that big. Wait, what? Here. Oh, there's one more frog. Okay, this is the one I want. Great. So I'll rename this. Wait, what? I'll rename this to emoji sprite atlas, and I'll drag it into our Unity project, not here, here, in the sprites. Then I'm gonna click here, sprite to the UI. The texture is not multiple of 4. I can fix that by using uh, Paint 3D. I already showed that in another video. Canvas. So I need to select multiple 4. So 29, the closest number that is a multiple 4 is 28. And instead of 505, 504. Now we can save. And I don't know if you had seen, but when this picture was imported to Unity and it was not a multiple 4, Unity could not compress it. So the size was 1 megabyte. Let's see now how this message is gonna go away. Let's see here how the size is gonna go down. So it went down like in 75%, more or less. Sprite mode multiple, and I don't need the max size to be 2048 because the size here is 528 to 4504. In fact, I'm going to make this a multiple of 2 as well to even further compress this sprite atlas. The next closest multiple of power of 2, because this is not power of 2, NPOT. The closest one going down is 512. So I'm going to transform this image into a 512 by 512. Again, click with the right button, show in Explorer, and Paint 3D. So I'm going to select these and move it to the right a little, and this to the left. Hey, left. And then I'm gonna remake the canvas become 512. And I just need to increase the canvas a little to make it 512. It seems like cut the. I'll get them closer a little here. These ones. Now I'm gonna make 512. 512. Okay. Save. Now it's a power of 2. So 512 by 512 on both sizes. Look at how further compressed this is gonna be. It's current 259 and now it's 256. It didn't change much though. But let me put here the correct size and apply. Hmm. I don't know why. Maybe it's fine. I don't know. But anyways, that's how we edit 2D images correctly. So Unity can compress. Oh, we can use crunch compression. Yes, when it's a power of 2. Take a look. 22 kbytes. It doesn't lose much quality though. It's almost the same. I love this for optimization. So let's go to our emoji one. I'm gonna change the atlas to this one. You see that here is wrong because the position is wrong. So I need to click here and go to the sprite editor. This is going to be emoji sprite atlas 0. Can I copy and paste? No. 2. I'm gonna be doing very fast. 3, 4, 5, 6. And apply. Now I click here, here. And why? Now the last row. Ouch! Come back here. Mm. Yeah, so we have nine. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. Okay. And I'm going to ignore the other ones. Oh, look at that. It already updated because I was using the same emoji one material. Maybe we can duplicate like any other Unity thing. See? So I'm gonna put this emoji one junior. This is mine. So in my emoji one, I'm gonna remove the extra characters here. Can I remove that? Yes. Click here, click here, click here, here. And now I'm gonna change this atlas to the emoji one. I have messed up with the position, so I'll fix it again. So 3, wait, not the height. It's here Y. Okay. I wish I could copy these values over here. Oh my gosh. How many columns? 2, 3, 4, 4. So 256, 0. The next one is gonna be Y. 256. They are similar. So this atlas here is kind of, this one is kind of messed up. So I'm gonna edit myself. Show in Explorer. You can see that these two are the same. I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna make a star here, not like this. Feel like we have in the, it's an orange color, I guess, and shape. Remember the emoji with the star, the eyes. I wonder if we put like some outline. Oops, no. Ouch. First, I'm gonna create a background color. So, and no line. Fill. I wanted to get the color here. So, okay, I'm gonna copy this from here, duplicate. Oops. Control C, Control V. I love this paint shenanigans. So now we will put this star, an orange one. Make 3D to make it easier. Okay, better than something repeated, right? Like these two are very similar. I also don't like that. I'm gonna make a different star, maybe? Yeah, it's the easiest way. This one here. Actually, I'm going to make another one, like without this mouth. Oh, look at this mouth that I created. It wasn't intentional, but it's going to work. Look at that angry kind of smarty ass. I wish I could remove the. Okay, it's fine. Better than repeated things. So I'm gonna save this image and then I'll save it to power of two, save, and I'm gonna save on my project he- here and replace it. Let's see. And they're here, they're here. So I was fixing theirs. Look at this, my emojis are here. That's cool, right? That's fine. Ah, so extra project done. Now we will get to programming. There's no running away anymore. Thank you. Let's put another emoji here real quick. Sprite equals, I don't know the number. This one over here. This was created automatically by Unity to include the emoji. Three. Let's see. And great. Okay, I'll close this video now, and then the next one is going to be about programming.